Hey, wait, I have a question for you. I'm actually very curious. It did happen to you that, you wanted to code a very simple micro app with AI, and it just started immediately, coding in, let's say, Next.js, right? And with Claude.ai, you have actually the artifacts and you can preview the app in many cases. But if you would like to actually install and host that app yourself, then you get the problems when you're trying to do that. So yes, because Next.js and all that JS applications, this is kind of like a new trend. Yes, of course we all know that. But again, if you are starting out the journey with coding, web development, just even to have a taste, when using AI and host something for yourself, you will fall into so many problems, in terms of deployment, on your own server. And this is something what I do really not recommend for any starting out guys, that AI will give you nice application, everything, or maybe you will try Bolt new, yeah, or whatever other applications you have, they can do it for you, and then maybe you will they will host it for you on Vercel, but then you pay quite a lot, yeah. So for simple apps, it's just not very cost efficient to pay that much. But if you really want to have kind of like a taste of working apps, and you could basically host them on normal web server like WordPress or whatever PHP server, then you can upfront request a request to build the app, with Tailwind, JavaScript, maybe even the old-fashioned jQuery, which AI handles very well because it's very, very documented, and you will get much less mistakes and errors. So I really recommend that to try, at least try. I'm not saying that you need to learn the old technology, but what I'm trying to say, that it's very demotivating when you see something is working, but you actually later on want to host it yourself, and you really can't, yeah? So then go ahead and try with the old-fashioned way, PHP, JavaScript, Tailwind, and you'll be good.